folks, welcome to Guaranty RV this afternoon here in Junction City. Today I'd like to present to you this little Thor Vegas. It's a 25.2 model. Come inside, we'll take a look around here. This coach comes with backup cameras and side cameras. Nice size queen bed in the back here. Great windows. This has an option. You can put this up and make it like a little seat with the table that goes here in front of it if you'd like. Has a TV back here in the bedroom. A little pocket door for privacy. Good size wardrobe closets and drawers here. Good size bathroom. This is a gas electric Dometic refrigerator, 2-burner gas cooktop with the microwave convection oven. Nice big window over the counter, kitchen counter here, and a stainless steel sink. This counter comes up here to make extra room when you're prepping. Good sized couch that makes into a bed, and we do have a table that goes here in front of it if you'd like. These are nice big compartments for storage here. This comes with a drop down bed, 250 weight capacity on that. This coach is on a Ford V10 chassis. Nice little work station that folds out there for you when you're driving down the road. A lot of people like this feel. It's more like a Class A. Lots of windows for when you're going down the road. This has a TV here. Little storage compartment for some fold-up chairs there. Speakers on the outside. More storage here. This has a 5,000-pound hitch and some more storage here. All this for a 25.2 coach. If you have any questions about this or any other coaches that we have on our lot today, please give us a call at the number you see below or my cell number, 541-505-0292. Thank you so much.